coming to our next class. Today our maths class. See children, exercise 3.6. Already 3 word problems are completed. Now 4th word problem. Okay. Sumit saves 8,500 rupees every month. Every month he saves how much money, children? 8,500 rupees. What will be his savings in 48 months? So only 1 month he saves 8,500 rupees. That way 48 months how much amount of money there? His savings. Now we'll find out, children. Now first you write the amount of money Sumit. Which person? Sumit saved every month. How much, children? 8,500 rupees. Next, how many months are there given here? He given months how many? 48 months. So here you write number of months 48. Now we find out what will be his savings in 48 months. Now we'll find out that one. Okay, children? So, total amount of money in 48 months. Total amount of money in 48 months. Now you do the multiplication here. So every month how much, children? 8,500 rupees into how many months? 48 months. So you do the multiplication. You do the multiplication in your rough place, children. 8,500 into 48. 800, 800, 8 5s are 40, 0 here and 4 here. 8 8s are 64, 64 keep in your mind, take 4 fingers, 64 after, 65, 66, 67, 68. Now ones place completed, put the 0, now tens place, 4 0 0, 4 0 0, 4 5s are 20, 0 here and 2, next number upside. 4 8s are 32, keep in your mind, take 2 fingers, 32 after, 33, 34. So 3 here and 4, 6 downs. Add these numbers, 0, 0, 0, 8, 6 keep in your mind, take 4 fingers, 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double digit number, children. So 0 and 1 here, 1 keep in your mind, take 3 fingers, 1 after, 2, 3, 4. So 4,08,000 rupees. You mention the rupees symbol also in answer. Okay. Therefore, last to write the conclusion is how much amount, children? Savings amount 4,08,000 rupees. 4,08,000 rupees will be his savings in it. Will be his savings in 48 months. So full stop. Okay, children, he asked only 1 month 8,500 rupees he saved. Like that way 48 months how many rupees is savings? So here amount of money Sumit saved every month. The number of months and what will be his savings in 48 months. Now total amount of money in 48 months, you do the multiplication, becomes the answer 4,08,000. So 4,08,000 rupees will be his savings in 48 months. Okay, children, note this question and answer in your notebooks. See our next sum, children. What is the product? Already explained that what is the product? Any two numbers will be do the multiplication becomes the answer is called the product. Okay? Of the largest 4-digit number and the largest 2-digit number. So largest 4-digit number and largest 2-digit number you do the multiplication. What is the product? He asked. So first you write here largest 4-digit number. What is that, children? Largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay? And largest 2-digit number, children? Okay? Now what is the product of these two numbers? So right here, the product of these two numbers. Product of these two numbers is equals to 9999 into 99. You do the multiplication here, children. 9 nines are 81, 1 and 8. Again 9 nines are 81. Keep in your mind, take 8 fingers. 81 after 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So 9 and 8. Again 9 nines are 81 and 89. Add this number 8, 89. Again you write 9 and 8. So 9 nines are 81 plus 8 again 89. Now ones plus completed. Now tens place number, children. Again same numbers will become, children, or no? Yes. See, 9 nines are 81. 1 and 8. 9 nines are 81 plus 8. 89. 9 and 8. Again 9 nines are 81 plus 8. 89. 9. 8. Again 9 nines are 81 plus 8. 89. So add these numbers now. 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 and 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9 and 1. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9. 2 nines are 18. 8 plus 1, 9. So here the answer is 9,89,901. So the product of these two numbers is 9,89,901. Okay, children? So first to identify large 4-digit number is what? 9,999. Largest 2-digit number is 99. So you do the multiplication between these two numbers becomes the answer is product. So the product of these two numbers is 9,89,901. Okay, children, note this sum in your notebooks. See, children, Raz deposits 2,350 rupees every month. He deposits 2,350 rupees every month. So here he asked how much will he deposit in 4 years. So every month he deposits 2,350 rupees. But 4 years how much amount in the deposit? Now we'll find out here. So first you write amount of money Raz deposited. Raz deposited every month. How much? 2,350 rupees. So he asked here number of years. He given number of years. So first you write number years is equals to 4. So first you write the 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 4 years is equals to 4 years is equals to 12 into 4. You do 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So 48 months. So he given years, but he asked months. Okay. So how many years? 4 years. 4 years. How many months? 48 months. But he given only monthly year. Monthly rupees. Monthly how much amount he deposited. Okay. So first these years you converted into months. 1 year is equal to 12 months and 4 years is equal to 48 months. Okay. Now we find out how much will he deposit in 4 years. Okay. Now we find out total amount of money he deposit in 4 years. Total amount of money in 4 years. 4 years means 48 months. So you do the multiplication here. Rupees how much children? 2350. Into how many months? 4 years means? 4 years means 48 months. So you write here 48. So here we do the multiplication children. 2350 into 48. 8 zeros 0, 8 5s are 40, 0 and 4, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 1's place completed, put the 0. 4 zeros 0, 4 5s are 20, 0 and 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So add these numbers. 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8. 8 keep in your mind that 4 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 and 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1,12,800 rupees. So I erase this question children. How much? You write the answer here. 1,12,800 rupees. Okay? 800 rupees. Therefore, you write conclusion here. How much will he deposit in 4 years? How much children? 1,12,800 rupees. Will he deposit in 4 years? Okay children, the sum is in your textbook. Note that sum after you do the solution. First you write amount of money Raj deposited every month and number of years 4. So he given here monthly amount. So you converted these years in months. So 1 year 12 months, 4 years 12 into 4 48 months. How much will he deposited in 4 years? You find out that total amount of money in 4 years. You do the multiplication, becomes the answer is 1,12,800. So 1,12,800 rupees will be deposited in 4 years. Okay children, note this in your notebooks and see in your textbook. Question is see in your textbook and write in your notebook, and this is the solution.